for apple. A is for ant. B is for ball. B is for bee. C is for cat. C is for cake. D is for dog. D is for duck. A, B, C, D, E is for elephant. E is for egg. F is for fish. F is for flower. I is for face. G is for grapes. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. E, F, G, H. Let's learn some more. I is for ice cream. I is for insect. J is for jeep. J is for jaguar. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lemon. I, J, K, L. Let's learn some more. M is for monkey. M mouse. N is for nose. N is for nest. O is for orange. O is for octopus. P is for pizza. P is for an. O P. Let's learn some more. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit. R is for rose. S is for sheep. S is for strawberries. T E is for tree. T is for tiger. Q R S T. Let's learn some more. U is for umbrella. U is for Uriel. V is for vegetables. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. W is for wolf. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. U V W X. Let's learn some more. Y is for yol. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra crossing. Y Z. Wow, that's how we know all A to Z. Let's sing again.